Assalamu alaikum students, I hope everybody is doing well. So in previous videos we have revised the translation as well as question answers. Today we are going to move towards the exercise, so let's just begin with that. On page number 26 we have this vocabulary portion. Number A, we have explain the following phrases as used in the text, which means that we have to write down the explanation of these phrases according to the context. First of all, we have gear up. In this unit, geared up means students are ready for the tutorial day. Global village. Global village means the whole world has become a single community which is connected by electronic system of communication. Then we have a click away. A click away means only at a distance of one touch of a finger. Constructive role. Constructive role means a useful role rather than being negative and with no purpose. Raise awareness. Raise awareness means to make people know that something exists and is important for them. To keep an eye, which means media watches things very carefully, especially to check them that they do not do anything wrong. A mouthpiece of the downtrodden. It means that TV has become the voice of the downtrodden and speaks for them. Then we have part B. Put these words in relevant columns to identify the part of speech these words belong to. They have given us these words and the columns. From these words, we have to separate nouns, adjectives, and adverbs. Name of any person, place, or thing is called noun. Adjective modifies the quality of or disquality of the noun. Adverbs modify verb, or you may say that they add meaning into verb. Let's sort them out according to the columns. Media is a noun, eagerly is adverb, communication is noun, constructive is adjective, audience noun, adjective, information noun, false adjective, means noun, corrective adjective, impact noun, loudly adverb. So I have written them according to their relevant columns. Now we have this grammar portion. Change the following words into nouns. Fill in the blanks with nouns. So they have given us words. We have to change them into nouns. Words are save, excited, devastating, active, helpless, hopeless, able, justify. So we have to use these words into the blanks after changing it into noun. Number 1, we have doctors are concerned with dash of the patients. Word is save, and the noun of this word would be safety. Doctors are concerned with safety of the patients. Number 2, we have in a state of dash she cried loudly. Word is excited. We have to change it into noun, and the noun would be excitement. In a state of excitement she cried loudly. Number 3, we have floods often cause large scale dash. Devastating is in bracket, and we have to change it into noun, and that would become devastation. Floods often cause large scale devastation. Number 4, positive dash will keep you healthy. Active they have given, and we have to change it into noun, that would become activity. Positive activity will keep you healthy. Number 5, her dash was quite obvious, helpless, and we have to change it into noun, that would become helplessness. Her helplessness was quite obvious. Number 6, she was in a state of dash, hopeless they have given us, and the noun of hopeless would be hopelessness. She was in a state of hopelessness. Number 7, she has the dash required for the job. Able is in bracket, and the noun would be ability. She has the ability required for the job. Have you any dash of this act? Justify, they have given that we have to change it into noun, and then noun of this word would be justification. Have you any justification of this act? Then on page number 27 we have identify personal, possessive, reflexive and indefinite pronouns. Personal pronouns are that we use in the place of subject or object. I, we, you, they, he, she, it, all these are personal pronouns. And then we have possessive. Possessive pronouns show possession or it shows belonging. For example, my, mine, his, hers, theirs. All these are the examples of possessive pronoun. Then we have reflexive pronoun that refers back to the subject. For example, subject is she. The reflexive pronoun would be herself, himself, itself, themselves, yourself. All these are the example of reflexive pronoun. Indefinite pronoun we use when the subject is not clear. For example, nobody, somebody, anybody, one. All these are the examples of indefinite pronoun. I have made a complete video on pronouns which I am going to put in the description box below. So if you have any ambiguity, kindly watch that video as well. So here we have to identify these pronouns. This is my book. My is a possessive pronoun. Salman is absent because he is ill. He is a personal pronoun. Number 3, you will hurt yourself. You is a personal pronoun. Yourself is a reflexive pronoun. Number 4, nobody was there to rescue the child. Nobody is indefinite pronoun. Then we have part C, identify pronoun errors and rewrite the following sentences correctly. Paragraph number 1 we have media plays a very constructive role for the society. They raises. So here we have subject verb agreement problem. Media is a collective noun and we always use singular verb with the collective noun. Raises is appropriate but we have to change the pronoun. So we are going to change they into it. It raises awareness about many social issues like corruption, terrorism, drug addiction and violation of human rights. Number 2 we have my would conclude the discussion by saying that. So we are going to change my into I. I would conclude the discussion by saying that media plays a positive role and has a corrective impact if, again subject verb agreement problem, if it works honestly. Number 3 we have good, very well concluded. I am happy that all of yours, we are going to change it into you. All of you have participated in this discussion and have expressed. Himself is going to change into yourself, yourselves, very well, because yourselves is representing the whole class. Number D we have complete the sentences choosing the right options. Number 1, media dash a very constructive role for the society. As if media is a collective noun and we always use singular verb with that. So that would be media plays a very constructive role for the society. Number 2, media dash also become a mouthpiece of the downtrodden. Has or have, again we are going to use singular verb has. Media has also become a mouthpiece of the downtrodden. Number 3, I am happy that all of you dash expressed yourselves very well. Have and has is in bracket. As if all of you is a plural, so we'll be using plural verb have. I am happy that all of you have expressed yourself very well. Number 4, their feelings and opinions dash expressed through it. Is and are is in bracket. As if feelings and opinions are plural, so we'll be using plural verb as well. So we are going to use are. Their feelings and opinions are expressed through it. Number 5 we have film, radio, television, the internet, books, magazines and newspapers dash us information as well as entertainment. provides and provide. So with the plural we are going to use provide. Film, radio, television, the internet, books, magazines and newspapers provide us information as well as entertainment. Then we have changed the voice. Example they have given, Ali eats an apple. It's a tense of present indefinite and we use is MR with third form of the verb in passive voice of indefinite, of present indefinite. So the passive voice would be an apple is eaten by Ali. So we have to change these 5 sentences into passive voice. Media helps people to share knowledge. Number 1 we have media helps people to share knowledge. People is an object that is going to go into the place of subject. People are helped by media to share knowledge. Number 2, their feelings and opinions are expressed through it. That is in passive voice that we have to change it into active voice. Then that would be it expresses their feelings and opinions through it. Number 3 we have media attracts the attention of a very large audience. The attention of a very large audience is attracted by media. Number 4, after entering the house, we switch on the television. The television is switched on by us after entering the house. Last we have, it not only informs us, but also entertains us. We are not only informed, but also entertained by it. Then we have this F part, change the paragraph into past indefinite tense. In past indefinite, affirmative sentences we use second form, and in negative and interrogative we use did with first form of the verb. Media helps people to share knowledge of the world, that we are going to change it into past indefinite. Verb would be changed into second form. Media helped people to share knowledge of the world. Their feelings and opinions were expressed through it. Media attracted the attention of a very large audience. Had you noticed that the first thing we did soon after entering the house was to switch on the television? Last we have punctuate the following. So the punctuation marks are necessary to have in a composition. We use capitalization, comma, full stop and other punctuation marks according to the writing. In this small paragraph, we are also going to use punctuation marks. First of all, there's T would be capital because opening words first letter would always be in capital form. So T would be capital. There are 2 means of communication, comma, electronic media and print media, full stop, and then again next line is starting. So first letter would be capital, T would be capital. The media includes film, radio, television, internet, books, magazines and newspapers. When we have variety of word, we differentiate it by putting comma. So we are going to put comma over there, film, comma, radio, comma, television, comma, internet, comma, books, comma, magazines and newspapers, full stop. Its I would be capital. It provides us information as well as entertainment, then full stop.